Hello and welcome! Parallel parking is one of the most feared driving maneuvers, but honestly, it shouldn't be. Most drivers struggle not because it's hard, but because no one explains where to look and when to turn. So in this video, I'll show you how to parallel park step by step using simple reference points that will make the whole maneuver much easier. First off, look for a suitable parking space, and once you've spotted it, put on the right turn signal or hazards. Continue driving straight and parallel to parked vehicles, leaving 2 or 3 feet of distance. Pass the selected parking space and stop once your rear end aligns with the rear end of the vehicle parked in front of that spot. For orientation, if the vehicle next to you is as long as yours, stop when your right mirror aligns with its mirror. If it's much shorter, go about 1 foot forward, and if it's much longer, stop approximately 1 foot earlier. Next, check the mirrors for pedestrians and traffic behind you. Assuming the space is clear, turn the steering wheel fully to the right, shift into reverse, and start backing up slowly. As you reverse into the parking space, observe the vehicle behind your parking spot. When it's gone from your right mirror, center the steering wheel and continue reversing. Next, when your right mirror aligns with the left tail light of the vehicle in front, turn fully to the left. As you continue backing up, keep your eyes on the front of your car to make sure there is enough room. If you've done everything correctly so far, it should be, but just to be on the safe side. At the same time, monitor the situation at the back. Once your rear wheel is near the curb or your rear end is near the vehicle behind you, stop, turn the steering wheel fully to the right, shift into drive and go forward until your car is parallel to the curb and aligned with other vehicles. Lastly, if you ended up very close to the vehicle in front, center the steering wheel, shift into reverse, and back up slowly until you're equally distant from both vehicles. This ensures you have enough room to exit the parking space easily in case someone parks closely to you. And that's it. Now let's see that once again, but this time without pauses and comments. So there you have it. Parallel parking isn't about luck or talent. It's about space selection, reference points, and slow control. Once you understand when to turn and when to straighten, this maneuver becomes predictable and repeatable. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more driving tips, and comment below. What part of parallel parking do you struggle with most? See you in the next one.